Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce out of habanero peppers. First, always wear gloves and eye protection when handling these potent peppers to avoid irritation. Next, gather your ingredients. About 10 to 15 fresh habaneros, 1 cup of vinegar, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Ensure your workspace is clean and all your cooking equipment, like a saucepan and blender, are ready. Now, let's get cooking. Roughly chop your 10 to 15 habanero peppers and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. In a saucepan, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil over medium heat. Add the chopped peppers and garlic, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they soften slightly. Then, pour in 1 cup of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer for 10 minutes. Once your pepper mixture has cooled slightly, carefully transfer it to a blender or food processor. Blend on high until the sauce is completely smooth, which usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. For an extra smooth consistency, push the blended sauce through a fine mesh sieve, using a spoon to extract all the liquid and leaving behind any pulp or seeds. Finally, it's time to bottle your delicious homemade habanero hot sauce. Make sure your bottles or jars are sterilized before carefully pouring in the sauce. Once bottled, store your hot sauce in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for several weeks. Enjoy your spicy creation. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.